People wahala, I beg, Welcome once again. The controversial singer Portable says his boys have been attacked in Lekki, Lagos. In a viral video, the Zazu Z could be seen venting his anger inside a vehicle in the company of his crew members. The singer said the incident happened while he was shopping for clothes for his newly signed artist, name yet to identify. They have broken my boy's eyes. It will not be well with Lekki. Portable formed in a mixture of Yoruba and Pidgin. I will deal with you if you come to Songo, he threatened. Please watch and stay tuned. Don't forget, like this video, share it, and let's hear your opinion on how you feel in the comment section down below. Would you say many suffer in the hand of this boy? Please let's listen to what he has to say concerning the attack of his fellow brethren. My people, now don't hear from Portable, now don't hear what he talk. Now my question will be say you don't want do we be say I want make una talk about be say one of you say if you go meet this boy. Normally, she Portable no see say boutique dey mainland before he carry himself go Lekki, because the matter just be like say Portable just like to dey find wahala. Wahala go sit down. They say wahala sit down. I be trouble sit down. Yanga go meet am. Now so the battle of Portable just boil. I be waiting on a fee. Men are sharing for the comment section. Now the cloth on a see for the hand. So when they talk, he say go buy. She go do shopping. He no do shopping for island mainland or even for Udumota. I been na Udumota then. He no see do for that place. My people, if it happen tomorrow now, I go to talk say this one this that. Me na share an opinion. I go to read some of the opinion where some people don't talk when they see this video concerning Portable and the recent attack. Some people they even they talk say nah what's be this guy in the way be say that they clash their matter anyhow, so the way that they fight this fellow musician, so now he sending boys go meet him. Some even talk say nah I cut these people now then go meet him. But then he come to say make they if they may they not just venture come Songo, say if they come Songo he go do blah 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 blah. My people, no be small thing, no be small thing. As on I know say Portable, he himself call himself Ika of Africa. He na wetin he take call himself. And this title no be title wey be say person wey dey bear the kind name go sit down dey look. No, na person wey be say he don ready to fight, to give anybody back to back. He with Sheyi law, I mean Sheyi vibes then they no dey agree they no dey agree. Now Lekki boys don't make sure say they teach am lesson, because now lessons some people they call am say they don't teach Portable lesson. We pray say this one go make am get sense. Some people they talk say instead make it rush that boy where they break his head, instead make it rush and go hospital, he they do video. I beg, I go read all the comments, make una see am on herself, because this matter it be like say he too tight and it be like say no one end if una dey hear the background voice of Portable guys where they talk say you want all those things. Make I not talk too much, my people. Make I read some of these comments. Ross Ovie wrote, this Portable guy has too much drama already. Biggie should just add him to DIGINAIJA. I want see something. Another user wrote, the problem now be say waiting won't carry people of Lekki go Songo. My people, make una just calm down, make una follow us, share this video, make I read some of the people's comments already. Now, this person where they call just Dr. Max wrote, these guys really need to calm down for now. For FR, make them just stay low-key. It's getting toxic already. X Housey wrote, the time he is using to shout on camera, he should better use it and take that guy to the hospital. Biggie Oluwaseun 001 said, this is what you get when you make mouth to the people bigger than you. He never see anything. He should know when to shut up. Arike Ade wrote, that bro beside him just wanted to be in the video by all means, and he succeeded. Another user wrote, abeg, make una dey advise Portable to dey speak English sometimes. Thank you guys for watching. Please share your opinion on the comment section down below. What do you feel about this video? We love to see you on our next one. Bye for now.